Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E7 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings, and here we have the leveler option. So by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. For now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera preview to see it. And as you can see here we have this line, this is this leveler. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture, and this is how it works. And of course when we don't need this, we go back to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the capture settings, tap on this option, so now it's turned off, and in the camera preview we can see the leveler. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.